Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you the recipe of a delicious chocolate cake using dairy milk. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need half cup curd or yogurt. So take plain yogurt which does not have any sugar or salt in it. Whisk it till it becomes smooth. Then add half cup plus 2 tablespoon powdered sugar, half teaspoon vanilla essence, and mix till the sugar gets dissolved. Next add 4 tablespoon oil or melted butter. If you're using oil, do not use extra virgin olive oil, peanut oil or any oil that has strong odor and smell. You can use refined oil. So give a good mix. Next add 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoon milk. Mix till well combined. Next add 1 cup all-purpose flour, that is Maida, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, I am using Dutch processed, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. You may sift these ingredients but you can also add them directly the way I am doing. You can find the product links that I use in video's description box. Remove the lumps using a whisk and then scrape the sides using a spatula. Transfer the batter to a mold. I am using a 6" by 4" cake mold. Next, I am going to bake this in my OTG at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, but you can see the Kadhai instructions on the screen. Once the cake is done and it cools down for 2 to 3 hours, then go ahead and remove it from the mold. Tap the sides to easily remove the cake from the mold. The cake looks delicious. Now let's set it aside and move to the next step and prepare ganache. For ganache here I've got dark chocolate. I'm using Maida brand's dark chocolate, not compound. This is 45% dark. So next I'm going to melt it. You may heat the cream and add to the chocolate, but I'm going to first melt the chocolate and then add warm cream. So melt the chocolate first in a microwave or a double boiler. Next add 150 ml cream. I am using Amul's fresh cream that comes in a blue packet. So give it a good mix and you can microwave it, or you can do this over a double boiler. Double boiler means a bowl of boiling water and you place another bowl of chocolate on top of it. The ganache looks ready. Now let's frost the cake. Level the cake. You may divide this cake into horizontal layers, but I am not going to do that today. So add some sugar syrup and apply a layer of ganache on all the sides. So before you refrigerate your ganache, coat your cake with it because it becomes easier to work with. And next place a dairy milk chocolate on top. Next pipe some ganache on the sides using a star nozzle. Before piping, you will have to set the ganache in refrigerator for some time till you get the right consistency of piping. So you can set it in your refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Our beautiful and delicious chocolate cake with dairy milk on top is ready. Heat your knife on gas stove and then cut the cake. It would be easier for you to slice the dairy milk on top. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!